veterans from other leagues na kasama niya. Nagre-rely din sa experience niya. Proof na mutual respect talaga ang umiikot sa team. Dito sa Basilan, share talaga ng experiences. He said, unang-unang respeto sa sarili at respeto din sa iba. Approachable ang lahat at lahat dito, bida. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Lyra. Alam niyo kung friend niyo si Eman Calo sa Facebook, lagi niya sinishare yan eh. Pag may mga encounter siya.
Talaga? Friends kayo?
Bakit?
Bakit?
Oy! That was that basket there by Michael Alvarez.
Dapat matuwa kayo. Talaga. More than yung mga baskets ni Eman. Kasi kapatid ng head coach yan. Supportahan nyo talaga dapat yan. But kidding aside, this is a nice play, move na si Michael Alvarez.
Play of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Kaya alam, mintis yung free throw. Alexis Himan in traffic. Agaw. Enzo Hoson. Counter steal by Manila. At si Inigo nabitawan. Si Tilio ang pupukol sa tres. Way short. And Coach Chris, nung majority of the third quarter pinag-uusapan natin Manila. How about Basilan though? Kasi nung nagsimula sila dito sa season, parang they were pretty much laboring. You know, that loss against Rizal really set the tone on that up and down season for them. And then they also had that tough loss against Nueva Ecija. Kumbaga they weren't really, yung schedule sa kanila hindi naging friendly para sa kanila. Hindi.
That's true. You know, and contrary, you know, at least in comparison, like I remember Muntinlupa, yung schedule the first 10 to 12 games, medyo pabor naman sa kanila. So, to your point, no, Basilan picking it up, you know, after that, going through that struggle, and Muntinlupa, after being in the second, third seed, ngayon nasa 8th seed.
Oh! Oy! Sayang!
Ang lakas pala tumalon itong batang to, no?
Oo. Tapos tumalon yan.
Oo.
Mana-mana lang. Gusto pa ng isa. Isa pa.
Si Rich. Eto. Ganito kaganda yung dunk. Kasi kahit nagmintis, ipapakita natin. Sayang nga naman. Diba? And sigurado pag uwi, hindi lang pag uwi, baka after the game, no? Isa-search lang ni Rich sa YouTube yung pangalan niya. Bata, kapatid, ganito lang yan. Marami si Rich niyan eh.
This video of the game brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Magsasawa siya dyan.
Ang dami nun.
Highlights.
May mga sumasabay pa.
Sumumay ka ba sa dakdak niyan, Coach? Hindi naman.
Ayoko nga sabihin, baka hanapin mo pa eh. Hindi. Sa naalala ko, hindi.
Hindi naman. Alvarez.
Ano pa lang eh, player pa lang ako, negosyante na ako noon. Business decision, ika nga. Pag nakita kong nakabuelo na, either pa-foulin mo na lang, o wag ka na sumabay.
91-50, 41-point lead for Basilan. Grimaldo, perfect from the field. 12 points, 6 of 6 shooting. Michael Alvarez, by Buelo. Fades away. That one pops out. Soriano, aatake. At turnover na naman laban dito sa Manila. Already there. 16th. But nothing really working on the side of Manila at the moment. Mayroon tayong timeout by Coach Maxi Deandante. 7 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. We'll be pausing for a break. We'll be back after this.
Pac is back. 8th Division champ Manny Pacquiao makes his triumphant return. In his way stands WBC champion Mario Barrios.
Legendary.
Plus Fundora versus Zoo 2 in an epic rematch.
What a gutsy battle!
And Pitbull runs it back against Angel Fierro.
Can you say fight of the year?
It's a stacked night of hard-hitting title fights.
Pac is back, just July 20. Manny Pacquiao steps back into the ring to challenge Mario El Azteca Barrios for the WBC Welterweight Championship. You can watch the fight live via Blast TV pay-per-view this coming July 20, Sunday at 8 a.m. Just download the Blast TV app, available on Google Play and the App Store. And itong Basilan on cruise to grab win number 9 laban dito sa Manila. And Manila unfortunately wasn't able to follow the footsteps of the Bulacan Kuyas, who had an upset win earlier against Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Now very important here for Basilan, as the basket also good for Jason Grimaldo. Pag nanalong Basilan dito, 9-9 na sila. As we see here, this attack by Jason Grimaldo. So 9-9 na ang Basilan if they get this win, which they will, with 43 point.
You think? Palagay ko aabot ng ano to, at least 120. 93 na sila ngayon.
Oo.
7 minutes remaining. Turnover pa.
Yung Mindoro 11-9, and hindi magiging madali yung laban nila mamaya laban sa Bataan.
Bataan,
So they have the same
home
amount
team.
of losses.
Yep.
And yung mga nasa 3-6, they have 7.
Right.
12-7 ang Batangas, Jensan, Rizal, Villanes at 11-7. So gaya ng binabanggit natin, hindi sila nalalayo itong Basilan. And they have the benefit of they have less amount of games. Although binanggit na rin ni Coach Rich, meron pa silang mga matitinding mga kalaban. I think Pampanga is on their schedule.
Right.
That's gonna be a big game. But it's a good time for them to click. Especially we're winding down the regular season. Lester Reyes with a basket. Cedillo connecting on that 3-point shot. And yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin na very slow start. Like, well, to simply put, ang hirap nila panoorin nung simula, coach, kasi sobrang like the disconnect was evidently there.
Talking about Basilan, right?
Oo, Basilan, di ba?
Yeah.
Na simula parang yung question of how to integrate yung veterans with this mix of players.
Putulin muna kita dyan. Tingnan
Sige.
mo, pinasok si Eman. Okay. Create kagad. Pasa. He knows it.
Alam niya.
He knows it.
Alam niya.
He knows it. Okay, go. Tuloy mo na yung sasabi mo.
Kaya ito, play of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
But in fairness to him, it was the right play also.
Setting up Jason Grimaldo. May timeout ulit tayo. 5:35 left. It's a huge lead for Basilan.
Kaya pinag-uusapan na nila sa timeout. Paano yung pasa mo? Bata. Sabi na sa kanya.
Tingnan natin sa ating pagbabalik. Check out our fan of the game, brought to you by LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Maraming salamat po sa LGR.
O yan ang gusto naming mga fans, yung kumakaway sa camera, hindi tinatago o nagtatago.
Oo.
Kasi nagiging liable tuloy kami na dinamay nyo kami sa hindi nyo pagpapaalam sa inyong mga magulang eh. Di ba?
Dami palang di nagpapaalam dito sa Balanga.
Tatlo kasi yan eh. Di ba?
Oo.
Yun nga, yung kumakaway, natuwang-tuwa, no? Yung nahihiya na, a little bit in between na patago konti pero tumitingin. At yung pangatlo, yun nga, yung tuluyang nagtatago.
Cedillo, tres na naman. Although losing effort ito. Cedillo with 23 points. So, averaging close to 20 points in his first 3 games. Ito si
Papasa,
Alfred
papasa. Tingnan mo.
Short. Kalo na naman, susu.
Papasa yan. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Pwede nang indiretso eh. O, tingnan mo.
Umingiti talaga eh. Sa pagkakaalam ko, Coach Chris, assist ito pag ma-shoot niya yung free throw.
Dapat.
Di ba?
Oo.
So kahit hindi field goal, basta off a pass.
Sorry. Gusto kong dagdagan. Dapat, pero wag natin ibigay. Or, barasi, wag mo i-shoot. Yung nagtataas ng kamay.
Special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer. Assist ba yun?
Assist dapat yun.
Assist din, no?
Pero wag natin bigay.
So ilan na siya? 22 points, 9 rebounds, 9 assists.
O
Okay.
yun na, 10 rebounds na.
10 rebounds na.
Ay, hindi. Pinasa yata sa kanya.
Ito na naman, si Eman Calo. Pinasa sa ilalim, tempra,
Traveling.
traveled.
Oh. So, dahil hinanap niya yon, kahit hindi siya yung nag-traveling, yung turnover dapat sa kanya yung bigay.
Toralba, nakaputas galing sa labas. So, ano na to 22, 9, and 9. Tempra sa loob. That's a big boy move. Hindi pala. May hawi pala kasi. Offensive foul on James Tempra.
Former FEU. Tama raw.
Oo. Daming ang former UAP MVP. Sa lineup lang ng Basilan Arwin Santos, Jervy Cruz, Coach Rich, for a time, Raba Al-Husseini. Pasa sa ilalim, Tempra. It's 2 points, 104-59. Uy, pawakan nyo ng bola si Eman. Toralba, way off on that shot.
Ayan na.
Ito, asisto pag nagkataon, kaya lang pinasa ni...
Hindi, dapat ipasa kasi
Oo.
talaga sinabayan si Tempra doon. I think he should just let it play out.
Yeah.
Minsan pag talagang hinahanap mo, doon pa hindi nangyayari.
So, rebound, pasa. And James Tempra, 2 points. 104-59. Basket by Ache Inigo. Ano ba? Triple-double na ba si Eman Calo? We will confirm.
Parang hindi pa. Alam mo, kung nag-triple-double na siya ngayon, may kasabwat sa stats yan.
Ito, susubok pa ng block. But he got called for that foul. 10 rebounds na siya.
Yan, yung huli niya. No?
So 22 points, 10 rebounds.
Sinab na siya. Para nang-asar lang. Ito si Coach Richie.
Okay ka na, Eman?
Oh,
Kota na?
pinasok para bitinin.
Ay, hindi. Triple-double na.
Meron na.
Kasi
Meron na.
22 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists.
Oh, okay.
His,
Yun,
night
kaya na siya nilabas.
his job is done.
Yun.
For tonight. Eman Calo.
Pero alam mo in my humble opinion,
Sige.
hindi siya ang best player eh. Si Grimaldo. Na
Walang mintis. Ay, hindi. Meron na.
na may 16 points at 80% from the field. May 7 rebounds. Kahit na sabihin mo mas mababa yung numero niya, mas impactful yung laro niya eh.
Ano lang, 12 minutes lang, no?
Oo.
May kapdagangon ka pa. 16 points, 12 rebounds, 4 assists.
Oo nga eh. Si Calo, 22, 10, 10.
Si Michael Alvarez din, 11 points, 5 rebounds. John Mahari with a layup. Well, in all seriousness though, I think si Eman Calo, especially nung nagsa-struggle sila, I think he was one guy that really steadied the ship para dito sa Basilan. Cedillo with a free. His point total now up to 26. Because I think he plays surprisingly, he plays really well off Alex Cabagnot. In the times na pag sila magkasama, siya usually nagli-leak out din eh, apart from Adi Santos when they get in transition. As Barasi, niluwa.
Well, ako hindi na ako nasurpresa ron kasi aside from the fact that he's experienced and he won a championship already, when he won that championship, his seasons with Davao, the main man there, apart from Marquis, was Bonbon Custodio.
Oh, si
Bonbon
Bonbon.
Custodio was the most, he was ball dominant. Marquis was their emotional leader, was the leading MVP candidate of their team. But Bonbon Custodio he still is a ball dominant player. Similar with Alex Cabagnot's game.
Yeah. Decoy Lopez.
So he knows how to, fit with a ball dominant guard,
Yeah.
scoring guard.
Si Barasi ang tinawagan ng foul. Decoy Lopez at the line. By the way, again, just a reminder, malapit na po. Nalalapit na po ang laban ni Senator Manny Pacquiao on Saturday doon sa US. Sunday morning dito po, 8 a.m. And wow. Senator Manny Pacquiao, 4 different decades na naging champion, world champion po siya. 1999 was his first world title in the flyweight division. And then yung glory days talaga niya, yung yung 2000s because this was where he beat Marco Antonio Barrera 2003, which really put him on the map. Then had those two.
Grabe. I mean, binabanggit mo lang yan, giving me chills. 2003. I don't know how young you were that time, but I was really young.
Secret.
Right? I mean,
Si Lyra ba pinanganak na nun? Parang 3 years old lang yata
my
si
goodness,
Lyra
I mean,
nun
I was in my 4th season in the UAAP that time, and my point is, we're now 2025. Fast forward with 3 boys, with 3 kids, and we're still talking about it.
Special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer.
And we're not being nostalgic about it, not in the past tense. It's in the present tense.
Oo.
Actually, future eh. Kasi mangyayari pa lang this Sunday.
Yeah.
Pinag-uusapan pa rin natin. No?
Michael Alvarez with a layup.
While yung mga, counterparts niya maybe isang dekada ng retired. De La Hoya has been retired for a long
Tagal
time,
na.
di ba?
Actually, since their last fight,
Right?
2008. So, 17 years. Retired na si Oscar De La Hoya. But Manny Pacquiao still going strong. Stephen Torralba with the free. Si Alvarez, ang misyon, makadakdak. But he got fouled. Manila offering a little bit of resistance here in the closing minutes. Coach Rich Alvarez, 2-time UAP MVP. So layo din ang agwat din nila, no? So si Mike looks really young. Playing for Gensan.
Sumbong kita kay Kyla sa sinabi mong yan. Diba?
Si Coach Rich, ito kakaabig ako In fairness kay Coach Rich,
Huwag ka manood ng concert ni Kyla. Bawal ka doon.
kung nanonood po kayo, sana lang po, makanood naman ako kahit isang beses. Pero ito, 111-77 again, Basilan eclipsing the century mark. And moving forward, Coach Chris, syempre, the impending return of Greg Slaughter Insights. How do you see him fitting in dito sa Basilan?
I think he's gonna fit well. Especially, he's gonna help definitely with their half-court offense. I think the big question there is, what shape is he in? Because, the last time that I remember him was months already. I don't even remember that month. The playoffs of last year.
Oo.
So, which was
Around September.
maybe October. Because the finals was December.
About
was pretty
over
much, it was pretty much at the time when we were in the finals also in the UAAP. So the playoffs was in about October, November.
Oo.
So it's been about 8 months. What shape is he in? Now, second, fitting well, I don't think it's going to be a problem because when you're experienced like him, has the experience who played here and abroad, nakita niya na yung lahat eh. He's been with all kinds of teammates already. The young, the old, the in-betweens. So I'm sure he's going to fit just fine.
And I'm sure he's raring to bounce back.
And it doesn't hurt to be 7 feet.
Oh, isa pa yun.
Right?
And I'm sure gustong bumawi din nun, no? Because they had a disappointing exit when he was playing for Manila. They lost to Caloocan in the first round in a series where they were pretty much heavily favored. Cedillo, though, continues to sizzle with 29 points for Manila.
I love the never quit attitude by Cedillo, not playing the score, just continuing to play and fire up those shots.
40 seconds remaining. Barasi, kick out to Kaduyak. And a foul given up by Stephen Torralba. Both teams in penalties, so Navarro will troop to the line. Teammate yan ni Greg Slaughter when they were in Manila. Former LPU Pirate, San Sebastian Stag, De La Salle Green Archer. And yun nga, yung question
Also batang kapatid.
ng Coach Melo.
Yeah, Coach Melo.
Jonas Libayan and the rest of the Mindoro Tamaraws raring to bounce back later on. They will take on the home team, the One Bataan Risers. May sibling rivalry din, no? Achi Inigo. I don't know the numbers he has, pero maya-maya lang maglalaro yung kanyang kapatid. Si Axel for Mindoro, who's actually playing really well for the Tamaraws.
Well, Achi only has 3 points, but he does have 13 assists across his name.
Michael Alvarez, probably the final basket for Basilan. And that's gonna do it.